this is going to go in here, guy.
No.
As soon as we pop one up. Okay, are we ready?
Oh, my fingers.
What are those tires? Wait a minute. Did you do one this side?
Yeah.
Put the rock on this tire so it'll continue to roll. Here. Right there. Open on that side. Okay. You got this other thing? Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Ready?
Great. It won't go in.
Huh?
It won't go in.
It will.
No, it won't. This side it might.
See.
No, it won't go in. Look at this side. Yeah, let me make a videotape. Yeah, don't videotape that.
Videotape it. There it is, see? Now, take these. It goes over here in this way. Put one right there. Yeah, there you go.
I know that.
Now the other side. Just like the one. No, just like in the one. Okay, now this pulled out.
Oh, you look real cool. With the fingers hanging on this side.
Hello. Here we are preparing hot coffee on a cold day in Sunrise Lake. We're freezing our ass off, but we're having fun, huh, Daniel? And Mr. Grudgemeyer, he's asleep inside that little tent trailer. Over where? This is the 18-inch, about a 3-pound trout that Dad caught this morning. Get a hold of that one, Daniel. Can you see that in there? Because I'm going to show this to the rock. This is the one. This is the one. I had to fight this for 20 minutes bringing it in, and I got a backache. It was so heavy. There was. Get a hold of this picnic area, Daniel.
Why are you walking? Let me hit the date on. Oh.
Get a hold of this picnic area.
Is the date on, Dale? You want the date on it?
Yeah.
Okay, stop recording then. You big cameraman.
My fishing knife over here. No, I got it right here. This? No, my fish knife. A real skinny one that I used to gut the fish with.
The Indian one? The one in the Indian, the leather case?
Yeah. Is it in here?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, here it is. This is a fish skinning knife. You use it to skin the fish.
Really?
Yep, watch. See how thin it is?
Mr. Education.
Come here. Follow me and I will show you how to skin a fish.
Later on today, we'll learn how to pop and shoot a gun.
First of all, you need a fish. And we have
Really?
to skin a fish, you need a fish. And we have a fish.
Mr. Smokey
Can you
the
see
Bear.
Small fish.
Small, look at how big that sucker is.
Small.
Daniel, just record. Don't
15
make any
inches,
comments.
I said 18.
Daniel, don't make any comments. They're recording.
Okay, you grab it by the gill,
No way.
right here, in its back.
Let me do it.
And starting back up here, where it lay eggs, and he takes a crap, you cut straight up, a little thin line, all the way till you hit the top of the gill. All right? Then you insert the knife under the
and
gill.
you rip its head off.
Under the gill, insert the knife, and you cut. All right? Now,
Show it the guts. And they get a good picture.
what you do,
Is that just thumb or
Starting-
its tongue?
starting from the top, you grab the gill,
Sushi.
and you start working it down. Straight down with your hand, okay? Straight down. Gill and all. See that?
And they let the bear get it.
And then pretty soon you've got it. Okay, Louis, cut that for a second right here, please. Okay. Then the guts, just throw them a little far away so that the little
Bear.
squirrels can get it. Now watch, Daniel.
Watch.
You finish taking. Now, straight from here, you work your thumb down and you get all the blood out of here. See all that dry blood? Starting with your thumb, you work it all the way down. Okay? Then the next thing you do, hey Louis, get that water down. Louis, no, the red one. Okay? And pour some water in here, little by little. No, little by little, son. You can wash them out that way. Come on, keep it pouring. You clean out all of this dry blood. Okay, make sure it's all out. Yeah. And this is a picture of the outhouse where we left some of our food.
Here we go. And there's Daniel after he sat on the throne. See the toilet paper? It's a mean one, I think. He's going to the outhouse. What? Here we go, folks. There he is. Toilet paper in one hand.
Well, what'd you think, guy? Where's the toilet paper?
Daniel's got it.
Where?
Right there.
All right, Daniel, I need it. I got a nature call.
Did you go, Daniel? Why not? Dad, Daniel didn't go.
Alright, Mom, this is what you missed out on. We're about ready to cook some French fries. And right down here, we're going to do some steaks. We're going to have some steaks and French fries out in the wild. My son Daniel and my son Louie and I. This is our little setup here. We're cooking that bacon in here in order to get some grease, because we didn't bring any cooking oil. So we're going to cook that to get some grease, and then we're going to do some Ore-Ida French fries for dinner. Steak and French fries. And right here, that is where the steaks are going to be cooked. No doubt about it. And over here is our wash basin area. This is what you missed out on, Mom. Right here. We got to wash our hands every day. And we even brush our teeth. This is it. Let's not forget our famous fishing net, huh, Guy?
Yeah.
What we call our fish. And right here, what is this, Guy?
This is our trash bag.
That is our
Garbage.
garbage can, where we collect all our trash. All right, this has been the setup. And right here tonight, we light the lantern. What do you think? Shall we try to make a fire, Guy?
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
Recording?
Yeah? Need some help?
No.
You gonna change, Daniel?
What?
You gonna change?
Yeah.
Okay. And Daniel is changing socks, underwear, shorts, t-shirts, name it. Because tomorrow we go home to see Mama. And Guy is washing what? Why are you washing your knife? Very good, Guy. And let's see how we're doing with our... There we have Daniel. Back up, Daniel, the other way. Show him how you washed your hands. Right in there. Oh my goodness. All right, Daniel, you get to set the plates right here for the dinner table.
Why me?
Put them over here on this side. And that whistling we hear is what, Daniel?
I don't know.
It's
Don't really care either.
the whistling kettle telling me that our hot water's ready. Kit's that right there. And a little table setting here where we eat our breakfast, lunch, and dinner. First class facility. This is better than Motel 6. And as you can tell, we are doing some ribeye steaks. And we plan to do some medium wells, along with the French fries that we're going to have going in. And this is the view of the camp. We're going to do some medium wells. As you can see, they're looking pretty good. And Daniel is helping me cook tonight because Louis helped me cook yesterday. And right there, Mama, Daniel's cooking some French fries for the first time. Right in here. He's going to stir them up with this bacon grease that we cooked. Teach his son how to make some French fries in the wild with bacon grease, Mama. Is that right, Daniel? Right, Daniel. And we have some Western music we're going to eat dinner by tonight. How are we doing with our potatoes, son? Okay. Should I stir them? You're the one that knows how to cook them, I don't. What are you cooking, Daniel?
Take a look.
Some French fries, my goodness.
French fries.
Hey, you moved that around pretty good. Have you dropped any yet?
9.
Oh my goodness. Who taught you to cook those, Daniel? And as you can see, he's just dropped a few of them. Ain't that many. But that's good for the chipmunks, Daniel. Just don't drop any more or we're not going to be able to eat. You don't have any left. And here comes my son Louis, fresh from taking a big dump. Boy, look at that look on his face. Woo-wee! Woo-wee!
Why'd you say that? Why'd you say that? That wasn't funny.